In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to create vocal harmonies with Audimee. Without wasting any time, let's take our main vocals and insert them into Audimee. We'll be using last week's project to demonstrate the harmony feature. Once we have loaded the main vocals, now the next step is to select the key of the vocals. Okay, so now we have two options. We can either choose from the presets that Audimee provides, or we can create our own harmony preset. Let's take a look at the presets that Audimee provides. These are the presets that we have. We have a lot to choose from, so let's try out one of these presets. Okay, so let's hear how the preset sounds.
Ngosi sigalela, Ngosi sigalela, Ngosi sigalela.
Okay, so if you like this preset, you can basically save the preset. For this project, we're going to create a new harmony preset. So what we're going to do is to delete the ones that we already have from the preset that we loaded, and then we're gonna click add track, and this will give us several options. We can change the voice of the backing, and for this video we're going to go with the same person because I want my harmonies to be sang by the same person. So once we have the singer, we have an option to basically select whether they're singing the melody at the third high or low, the fourth high or low, the fifth, etc. These are all the options that you have, and then we can also take the vocal up an octave or down an octave by pressing the plus sign or the minus sign. Then we also have an editor which allows you to basically change the notes within the vocals. You can either change a note to go up or to even go down, so it gives you a lot of flexibility. Now if you're feeling overwhelmed by this feature, you can basically watch a video that is provided to you by Audimee. It's a very good overview video of this feature. Now to our left, we basically have an option to solo the harmony alone if you want to listen to the harmony alone, or you can mute the harmony and listen to the other harmonies, or if you don't like the track, you can just delete the track by pressing the trash icon. So for our first track, we're going to go with the higher third, and let's hear how it sounds.
Ngosi sigalela, Ngosi sigalela.
Let's continue to add more vocals to these existing vocals. So we're going to click add track, going to do the same process, select the same singer, and then now we're going to go with the lower fourth.
Ngosi sigalela, Ngosi sigalela, Ngosi sigalela.
I'm going to solo the vocals so that we can hear what is being added to our existing vocal.
Ngosi sigalela, Ngosi sigalela,
And this is the higher third.
Ngosi sigalela, Ngosi sigalela.
And let's listen to the both of them without the main vocal.
Ngosi sigalela, Ngosi sigalela.
Yeah, it's sounding pretty good so far. So let's continue to add another track.
Ngosi sigalela, Ngosi sigalela.
I feel like this one sounds like the main. Now for the last one, we're gonna add a fifth.
Ngosi sigalela, Ngosi sigalela, Ngosi sigalela.
You can experiment with this and add a female, for example, to sing your higher melodies or higher notes, and then low. For the low notes, you can go with a male. So I think the vocals that we selected for our backing vocals are quite okay. They're good. So now we're ready to convert them download them and insert them into our project in FL Studio. So we're going to work with this section of the beat. So once our vocals are inside FL Studio, we're going to take them to the mixer. Once they're in the mixer, we're going to add some effects to them, and then we're going to select which backings are going to be played at which section of the song. So we can start off with the third. Okay, sounding nice. So we can pan it to the left. And now let's open the fourth. So just to balance them, when the other one is panned to the left, the other one needs to be panned to the right. And once you're happy with the volume of these two, you can open the third backing. So we can also introduce the melody vocal. Now what we're going to do right now is to basically chop the vocals here, because we don't want backing vocals for the whole section. Obaba ngenelela, amina ngiyabikela, amaphupho afezeka, obaba lekelela, obaba ngenelela, amina ngiyabikela, amaphupho afezeka. And we've reached the end of our video, guys. If you'd like to get started with Audimee, there's a discount code in the description below. You can use the link to get started with Audimee, and a huge shout out to Audimee for making this video possible, and catch me in the next one.